We are in lab 5.5.5 and we're going to configure a VPN connection iPad. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You recently set up the remote access VPN feature on your network security appliance to provide you and your fellow administrators with secure access to your network. You are currently at home and would like to connect your iPad to the VPN. Your iPad is connected to your home wireless network. So in this lab, your task is to add an IPsec VPN connection using the values provided in the table below. And this can be added using settings, then general, then VPN. So let's just go ahead and start up lab. Now, so in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and work at your own pace. All right, so we are inside the lab. We'll go to settings on the tab. While in settings, let's go scroll down to VPN and not add VPN configuration. So we go to IPsec. Under IPsec, the description provided is just copy and paste. So we'll paste in here, and for the server, we just copy this and we'll paste it in here. And for the account, M Brown, so let's just copy and paste. And for the password, so we'll copy this and paste so that we'll avoid any typographical error. So we'll just copy the password and paste it under secret. All right, so we save and not connected. So we turn this on so that it will be connected. Let's just hold on for it. So this is the connection. We input the password here. So let's copy the password here. Copy this. We're going to paste it in here. Click. Alright, so this is done. We'll go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel.
Busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.